Hi guys, so you saw it in the video I just posted. I don't know if you saw it, but if you haven't saw it, just go find it. It's called Slime. And period. It's called Slime, but yeah, that's it. I'm gonna name this one Slime too. So yeah. But if you heard my video, if you saw it, I'm gonna make another video after when I make this. After when I make that video. So yeah, this is my hand one. Let's do it. So just enjoy the sound. I'm not talking. Okay, I'll talk a little bit. Or maybe I'm not, because I like talking. But whatever. Let's just talk. I'm just not ready. Okay, I know that's not what it says, but make it says like, oh god. Yeah, I'm calling out about YouTuber. It's my first time being a YouTuber. I never made lots of videos, like 13, 14 or 20. I don't care, I'm still a first beginner YouTuber. Oh, what the? Okay. Yes. I did that because, you know, just enjoy this video. This is so sick. First I need. This is actually so cool. I just bought it. Oh wait, why did I shape it into a poo-poo? Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.